ETFs or individual stocks? What's the smarter move in 2025? With inflation, uncertainty, market volatility, and AI hype everywhere, choosing the right investment approach has never been more important. As a former investment banker with 10 years in capital markets, I'll break it down clearly. Pros and cons. Risk-return profiles. Use cases for different investor types. Let's go. Chapter 1. What are ETFs and stocks? ETFs, exchange-traded funds. A basket of stocks, tracking an index like the S&P 500 or DAX. One-click diversification. Usually low-cost and passively managed. Stocks. You buy shares of a single company, like Tesla, Palantir, or Nvidia. High return potential, but much higher volatility and risk. Requires active selection and monitoring. Chapter 2. Risk and return profile. Which is safer? ETFs equals lower risk, lower reward. Think of ETFs as a diversified safety net. If one company crashes, it's balanced out by the others. Great for long-term compounding. Stocks equals higher risk, higher potential. One great pick can outperform the entire market, e.g. Nvidia 2023 to 2024, but miss badly and lose 30-50%. It's like betting on a few horses instead of the whole race. Chapter 3. Costs, simplicity, and time commitment. ETFs. Low fees, 0.1% to 0.5% per year. Buy once, hold long. Perfect for beginners or busy professionals. Stocks. No management fees, but higher indirect costs, research time, risk, tax planning. Requires much more time, skill, and emotional control. Chapter 4. Real-life scenarios. Which fits you? If you're a beginner or value time, stick to ETFs. Broad exposure, no guesswork. Example, MSCI World, S&P 500, or iShares DAX. If you love company analysis and active investing, add stocks to your strategy, but be selective. Think long-term. Have conviction. My own suggestion? Use a core satellite strategy. Core portfolio, 70% ETFs. Satellite, 30% high-conviction stocks like Palantir, Tesla, etc. Chapter 5. Final verdict. What should you buy in 2025? If you want stability plus long-term growth, ETFs win. If you're ready to take higher risk for higher reward, select stocks. Best? Combine both. Smart diversification always wins in the long run. That's how I think about ETFs versus stocks as an investment professional. Which one are you choosing for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video if it helped you. Share with a friend who's just starting out, and subscribe to Banking and Finance Academy. New insights every week.